Have you ever created or opened a 3D model in AutoCAD and noticed that all you can see are edges and lines instead of solid objects? Maybe your model looks transparent, hollow, or like a cage made of lines. This can make it difficult to inspect your design, present it to clients, or continue working on the model accurately. Fortunately, this is usually not a serious problem. In most cases, AutoCAD is simply displaying the model in a wireframe visual style instead of a shaded or realistic view. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix 3D objects that appear as wireframe only in AutoCAD, even if you're completely new to 3D modeling. Before we begin, it's important to understand what wireframe mode is. Wireframe is a display style that shows only the edges of objects, without displaying their surfaces. This mode is useful for certain editing tasks because it allows you to see through objects and select geometry more easily. However, when you want to visualize a model properly, wireframe mode can be confusing because the objects do not appear solid. The first thing to check is the current visual style. Look at the Visual Style control located in the upper left corner of the drawing area or on the View tab of the ribbon. Click the drop-down menu and see which style is currently active. If it says 2D wireframe or wireframe, this is most likely the reason your objects appear as outlines only. To fix the issue, change the visual style to shaded. As soon as you select shaded, AutoCAD displays the surfaces of the objects instead of showing only their edges. If you want more visual detail, you can choose Shaded with Edges. This displays both the surfaces and the edge lines, making it easier to understand the shape of the model. Another option is the Realistic Visual Style. This mode provides more advanced lighting and material effects, helping the model appear closer to how it would look in the real world. While Realistic mode looks impressive, it may require more computer resources, especially when working with large or complex models. If shading the visual style doesn't solve the problem, verify that the objects are actually 3D solids. Select one of the objects and open the Properties palette by pressing Ctrl+1. Check the object type. If the object is listed as a 3D solid, changing the visual style should display it correctly. However, if the object is a collection of lines, polylines, or wireframe geometry, there may not be any surfaces to display. In that situation, you'll need to create solid geometry. Commands such as extrude, press-pull, revolve, and sweep can convert closed 2D shapes into 3D solids. Once the objects become actual solids, they will display correctly in shaded visual styles. Another common cause is face visibility settings. Sometimes imported models contain surfaces that are hidden or damaged. Use the regen command to regenerate the drawing and refresh the display. Type regen and press enter. This simple step often resolves display issues that occur after opening files from other software. Graphics performance settings can also affect how 3D objects are displayed. Type graphics config and press enter. Make sure hardware acceleration is enabled if your system supports it. Hardware acceleration allows AutoCAD to use your graphics card more effectively, improving the display of shaded and realistic models. If your model still appears incorrect, try switching to a different viewpoint using the view cube. Sometimes objects can look like wireframes simply because you're viewing them from an angle that makes the surfaces difficult to distinguish. Rotating the model can help confirm whether the surfaces are displaying correctly. For imported files, especially those received from other CAD programs, it may be useful to run audit and recover commands. These tools can identify and repair drawing errors that affect object display and visualization. So, to quickly summarize, if 3D objects appear as wireframe only in AutoCAD, first check the current visual style, switch to shaded or realistic mode, verify that the objects are true 3D solids, regenerate the drawing, enable hardware acceleration, check viewport visual styles, inspect the model from different angles, and repair imported drawings if necessary. In most cases, simply changing the visual style from wireframe to shaded resolves the issue immediately. I hope this guide helped you fix 3D objects that appear as wireframe only in AutoCAD. If it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AutoCAD tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.